I don't know what they're doing. They're up to something no good, these two. Maybe one of you guys can tell me what's happening.
Over here for our ozone, we cooked up a little green pepper and red onion. I added in a pint of halves, grape or cherry tomatoes.
Oh, she's laying eggs in there? What the heck she's doing? Maybe you guys can tell me what's going on. Maybe you guys can figure that out. She's moving rocks for something.
And then I like a little bit of, you can get the little light green hot
digging a huge hole back in there. I thought usually they required a flat surface to lay their eggs, but she's just digging a hole. I know most cichlids do it, but I've never seen her do this goofy stuff before. And the one in the cup is just like, hide now, like I want nothing to do with it. I didn't do it, I didn't do it. I can't figure out what they're doing. Sorry about the clarity on this. Maybe you guys can tell me what she's doing, because I don't know.
I know, it's so simple, and it's pretty much entertaining. It's super nutritious. It's a perfect meal.
She's gonna dig down into the stand eventually. She's gonna go right through the tank.
If you're not entertained with it, you might want to pull it up. Just kidding. This could be what's for dinner tonight, guys.
Still moving the rocks around. Alright, maybe you guys can figure it out for me. Let me know.